Sellercloud makes it easy to update information on multiple products through importing a single bulk update file. Access the Import Product Info page under Catalog. From here, you can access various bulk update files. For this tutorial, we are exploring Bulk Product Update. With Bulk Product Update, you can use a save template or make a new one. Select the desired format of your template. Sellercloud supports tab Delimited, CSV, and Excel files. Add columns that are specific to the information you want to change. But note that the product ID must be the first column. This will be set for you automatically when creating your template. By checking the box next to Save Template, you'll have the option to use it again for future bulk product updates. Fill in your template's name and download. Open up your new file to populate the columns. Fill in the product IDs that correspond with the products meant for update. Complete the columns and save your new bulk update template. Select the file from your documents. You can choose your company and even schedule a time for your bulk product update. After filling out your information, click Upload. You can use the notification to access the queued job. You'll see the overall status and a log that records the status of the job at specific times. Use the toolbox to access the bulk update log. This gives you a more detailed look at your bulk update file. You can view information about each updated product and see their current status. By going to each of the product's details pages, you can see the changes made by the bulk update file. It's as easy as that.